Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today I will be reacting to a trailer of a film which is going to be releasing on Netflix. The movie is The Devil All the Time, and I'm really excited because it stars Tom Holland and Robert Pattinson. So yeah, two really good actors, and the name, I don't know, suggests me that this probably could be like a crime film. So without delaying this, I'm just gonna start. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Arvin.
birthday, honey.
Happy birthday to you.
Well, this was your daddy's. Brought back from the war.
Oh.
Figure it's time to pass it on.
It's the best present I ever got. Thank you.
How and why people from 2 points on a map without even a straight line between them can be connected is at the heart of our story in Knock 'em Stiff.
You ever think about how we ended up orphans living in the same house?
I know what my daddy did.
Some people would say it's just dumb luck.
You take pictures?
I do. I see a smile pretty enough to photograph, that is.
Others would tell you it was God's plan.
Blessed are they who hunger and thirst for righteousness.
That ain't no preacher. He's as bad as they got on the damn radio.
When people look back on it, they'd had no other choice.
Sebastian Stan's also there.
Sons of bitches out there.
Excuse me, preacher. You got time for a sinner?
You know, I studied something. It's called the delusion. A belief that is untrue. It is our delusion that lead us to sin. Delusions!
Well, this looks great.
Some people were born just so they could be buried.
What I'm about to do, I do because I have to. Not because I want to.
Oh. The Devil All the Time. It's based on a novel. September 16th. Yeah, I'm definitely watching it. Okay, wait. Let's close this first. Okay, so that looks really good because it says that, you know, it's adapted from the novel. So I do not know the original story, so I cannot really place how relevant from the trailer. At least I do not know how legit the adaptation is. But the trailer cut itself looks amazing. So couple of things that I want to share, like my thoughts, is that number one, that the trailer really looks amazing. It is creating that sense of mystery, that what is happening. So I am guessing the storyline is basically Tom Holland trying to protect his family, because he said at the end that the things that I do is because I have to, not because I want to. So I think he is going he is doing bad things for probably his protecting his family or somebody. That is what it looks like. And secondly is that Tom Holland looks amazing, and I think his accent sounds really legit. I don't know when we'll get the opportunity to, you know, hear it with his actual original British accent in a film, but nonetheless I think the Southern American accent is sounding great. So I'm really glad how Tom Holland is also, because it's very easy for actors to, you know, be bound in a shell, because because he is like part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe as Spider-Man. So it's very very easy to just see that person as Spider-Man. Like if I think of Iron Man, only Robert Downey Jr.'s image pops in my head, or if I think of Captain America, it's Chris Evans, because our mind has been conditioned now like that, because they have portrayed this character so well. And I'm glad that Tom Holland has started doing like different films, which he should, because I personally think he's a very good actor and he has a long way to go. And looking at this trailer, it looks like he really has put all his 100% efforts over here. Third, Robert Pattinson, like again with I'm so happy the kind of films that he has done after Twilight. He really broke his shell, because again with him stuck in that Twilight kind of image was not doing anything good to him. And I felt really bad when Robert Pattinson, when that news came that he's going to be playing Batman, he got so much backlash for no reason apparently. Now I am not saying that he's going to perform like really really well, and we don't know, because I personally feel he's a very good actor and he has a lot of range. So without even watching the movie, we really can't judge. I mean, he can be a horrible Batman also, but you never know, he might surprise us as well. Here he looks amazing. Like I have literally since Harry Potter I have followed his filmography, so I know for a fact that he's a legit actor. And here I don't know if he has a very big role here or not, because he plays like the preacher, and sort of I am getting the sense that with him being the preacher also, I think he is still a negative character. I don't know, this is completely my guesswork because I have not read the novel. But this looks great. September 16th, I cannot wait to watch it, because I love both of these actors. And Sebastian Stan is also there, I did not know. So yeah, that was my thoughts and my reaction to the trailer of The Devil All the Time. And let me know if you're going to watch it, not watch it, and are you excited to see Tom Holland and Robert Pattinson in the same screen? This is a treat for me, at least. So yeah, if you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.